Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to Scatter Physics. Yes, I welcome you all. Please, let's go straight to what we have today. We are still in our dimension. This is a continuation of what our dimension question. So we have the question that which of the following are the dimension of what? Of a potential energy and the moment what? Of a force. And if you look here, we have 5 options A to E. So we don't know the answer. When we finish solving, then we can be able to know what the answer. So we go straight to our solving solution. So we have potential energy. In bracket PE is equals to what? Formula for potential energy. mgh. Then we have formula for moment of what? Of a force. Which is equals to force times what? Distance. Then we go for what? Potential energy first. Potential energy equals to mass times this g is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to what? Gravity. Times what? Height. And inside this acceleration, we have mass. Mass times what? Formula for acceleration is what? Velocity over what? Time. Times what? Times height. We come again. We have mass. Times formula for velocity is what? Distance over what? Time. Over time. Over this time that we have. Times what? Height. So now we have gotten what we are looking for. Now then we apply this our 3 basic what? Quantity in dimension, which is length, which is in abbreviation we use what? L. Mass we use M, and what? Time we use T. So we look here, we have the mass, which is M, times what? We say that anything that is not LMT, we call it what? L, which is what? Length, which is distance is measured in what? In length. So we have distance as what? L, and we have T, which is time, which is what? T over what? Time, another time, which is T. Our height is what? L, which is length. So now when we have gotten this now, we say M times L. This division LT, this division we call it what? Minus 1. This division sign we call it again T minus 1 times what? L. Then when you collect like terms, L, because we have invisible 1 here, because this normal L as invisible 1 that we are not seeing, that is there. So we say that M times this 1 plus this 1, we have what? L is to power 2 times again minus 1 minus 1, we have T minus what? 2. So when we bring all of them together, we have that PE with potential energy is equals to what? M L is to power 2 and T is to power minus 2. This is for what? Potential energy. So let's go look for what? Moment of what? A force. Moment of a force. which is force times what? Distance. Then under force, you know that F is equal to ma, formula for force. So we have mass times acceleration, which is formula for force, times what? Distance. Inside this formula now, we still have formula for what? Acceleration. So we have mass again times what? Formula for acceleration is what? Velocity over time times what? Distance. We come again. Mass times what? Formula for velocity is what? Distance over what? Time. Over time. Over this time that we have. Times what? Distance. So now, with this now, we can now apply the three basic quantity. Three basic quantity in dimension, which is mu is for what? Mass is for what? M. Distance is for what? L. And time is for what? T. Time is for what? T. Distance is for what? L. Then we have M times L T raised to the power minus 1. T raised to the power minus 1 times what? L. Then M, bring the like terms together. L and L is going to give us L raised to the power what? 2 times what? Minus 1 minus 1 is going to give us T raised to the power what? Minus 2. Multiply everything together. We have moment of force equals to M L raised to the power 2 T raised to the power minus 2. Then we have the potential PE. So we have the answer as what? Which is potential M L raised to the power 2 T raised to the power minus 2 and what? M L raised to the power 2 and T raised to the power minus 2. That's the answer. So what is our answer in the option? You see it, we got the answer, and our answer is what? C. So thank you for watching today's video. I remain your one and only Scatter Physics, where you have your solution in physics. Please share, like, invite your friends. Let's learn together. See you next time.